Hey everyone, Thomas coming to you from MGM Classic Cars here in Addison, Illinois. And first and foremost, I would like to thank all my 60,000 subscribers to my channel. Thank you very much. That's first and foremost. And if you are not subscribed, please click the red subscribe button. But today I have this 1971 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray with T-tops. Obviously, they all come with T-tops. But some people don't know that, so that's why I'm saying. This is a Bridgehampton blue factory color on this car with the blue interior. Paint on the car is in good condition. Rally wheels, as you can see. You got the Cobra Radial GTs as well. Body looks straight. Chrome on the car, front, rear, trim, glass, weather stripping, all in very good condition, along with the lenses on all around the vehicle. It is a LS5, numbers matching, 454 big block. This has a TH400 automatic transmission with Posi. I will pop the hood. I will go over a couple more options with you guys shortly here. But as you can see, it is in beautiful condition, guys. Moving forward, I would like to share with you the nice interior. This interior is original to the vehicle. Door lips look great. Like I said, the weather stripping, door panels, door sill plates, inner outer jambs are nice. Here's your tag showing that Bridgehampton 979 paint code. Dash pad, as you can see, looks great. T-tops are in excellent condition as well, right there. You got the original blue interior on the car. This particular model does have tilt wheel. You got the factory Jensen cassette player radio, and it is a, as you can see here, let me get that clear here. The LS5 454 365 horse with 460 foot-pounds of torque, guys. Beautiful car. We're going to be going for a ride, but first, let's see how she starts. Right, couple pumps. So the RPM check right now is inoperable. That's how we got the vehicle, but I will definitely fix that, and I'll go over a couple other things with you guys. Let's pop the hood. As you can see, fellas, 454, you got your booster here, your master cylinder, you got the disc brakes, the power steering, the big block numbers matching 454, 4-barrel carb, factory air conditioning car as well. Okay, we're definitely going to go for a nice test drive here, guys. Turn signals all function. Horn all works. You got the wipers all functioning. And I'll make sure that the heat and air conditioning all function, along with the speedo and the RPM tech as demonstrated earlier. All right. This is the best part of my day here. I get to cruise these awesome cars that I buy. What a beautiful day here in Addison, Illinois. We are located at 150 South Church Street in Addison, Illinois, 60101. Oh, we're going to cruise today, man. This is super stellar. Oh man, I don't know, something about sitting in a Corvette, man, that it's got T-tops in it. I like them better than the convertibles. Just got a little sporty look to them, but I like them both ways. All the gauges function, even the clock is working. Got great oil pressure. I mentioned a tilt wheel, 3-spoke steering wheel. Brakes feel really, really good. Maybe a little too good. This thing goes down the road really nice and smooth, guys. Speedo functions, I'm doing about 45. No weird noises, no clunky noises in the car. I will demonstrate the brakes a little bit harder as we progress in the video. All the turn signals function. Yeah, smoke the tires whenever you want. That's why you buy an LS5. And what's nice about it is you can turn up the ignition system a little bit, advance the timing a little bit, and this thing will really scream if you wanted to. No overheating issues whatsoever. Turbo 400 shifts just like it should. Real nice at 45 miles an hour, even at 50, 55. Really nice. Adjust the brakes a little bit there. I think they're overly sensitive, but it doesn't pull left or right. Turn at full throttle. Yeah, we're gonna continue this ride a little bit more because I'm having that much more fun. And this is my usual route that I pull in right here to the left, but I'm gonna keep going. This is too fun. Listen, the good weather here in Illinois is almost gone, and why not enjoy it a little bit more? So if you need financing, guys, it's not a problem. You will need about $5,000 down, okay, to finance the vehicle. About $5,000 down with good credits. Rates start at about 8%. We have low payments, long-term financing to fit your budget, okay. You can find the application at mgmclassiccars.com. On the upper right hand corner, click the finance tab. Your scores like 640 to 770, okay? But if you're like 775 and higher, call or text me and I'll give you my lender's direct website. It's a no money down option that you can go to. Now you can roll in your taxes, your sales tax, you can roll in your delivery charges and any upgrades that you want to do to this car in our service departments that we have here. So keep that in mind. And if you need delivery, call or text me with your zip code. My number is 847-848-1850. I want to thank you guys for spending your 10 minutes with me, or 7 to 10 minutes here, and subscribing to my channel, please. If you haven't, please click that button to the right, subscribe button, okay? We're going to head back now to the dealership, and we're going watching. MGMClassicCars.com.